Welcome to our educational video on building rapport and trust in ethnographic studies. Building rapport is crucial in ethnographic studies. It helps create a comfortable and open environment for participants. Active listening is key. Show genuine interest, maintain eye contact, and provide verbal and nonverbal cues. Empathy plays a vital role. Put yourself in the participants' shoes and validate their experiences and emotions. Respect cultural differences. Be aware of cultural norms and adapt your approach accordingly. Transparency is essential. Clearly explain the purpose of the study and ensure confidentiality. Establishing trust takes time. Build a relationship based on honesty, integrity, and mutual respect. Remember, building rapport and trust is essential for successful ethnographic studies. This video is curated by Dr. Philip Adu, methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting.